Hey everyone, and welcome to Muddy Beards 4x4. I am Robbie, and today I'm out hauling my flatbed trailer to go pick up some building supplies for the farm in my 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 or Project half-ton tow rig. While I'm out here hauling this thing, it's reminded me of a problem that I've had with this for a long time. And that is the visibility issue. It is just very hard with these factory mirrors to see the trailer or whatever I'm towing, especially when it's unloaded. No matter how I adjust the mirror, especially going around corners, it is a challenge to see the trailer back there. And this is an issue I really need to fix. Now, I have always viewed myself as a very cautious driver while towing. I am constantly checking and double checking to make sure my load is still secure, everything is going right with the trailer, and just trying to be overall very vigilant with what's going on around me. And so the limited visibility that the factory mirrors that come on a 1500 provide, therefore, is not just a performance issue, but a safety issue as well. But I think I might have a solution to fix this problem. So what I have here is a set of tow mirrors from a company called Yida Motorsports. They sell a bunch of different kinds of truck and Jeep accessories, everything from headlight housings to, of course, tow mirrors. Now this is a OE style, so like what you would have found factory on a 3/4 ton or 1 ton Chevy pickup truck tow mirror that comes with everything you're going to need for a quick and easy install, including brand new hardware, this heavy duty wiring harness that should make it a direct plug and play that will include all of the features your factory mirrors had, including the integrated turn signal, the defrost, and of course all the power options. And on top of that, it's fully adjustable. This slides out and gives you that significantly larger viewing space. So this should be quite an upgrade and should be an easy install. So let's get to putting these things on this truck. To begin, we remove the plastic trim piece and the foam installation, and that should reveal the 3 10mm bolts that secure the factory mirror in place. Once you remove those bolts, the mirror is now free, but we must also remove the door panel. There are 4 bolts to hold this in. One is underneath the armrest. There is another one at the very bottom of the door that needs to be removed. You're also going to have to remove the factory lock bezel, and there is a bolt underneath that as well that needs to be removed. And then finally, there is a Torx bit bolt down towards the bottom edge of the door that needs to be removed as well. Once you have done that, you can slide the door panel down and you can disconnect the blue and the black wiring connectors from the control module, and you should be able to slide the original mirror all the way out, pull the wiring harness through, and you're ready to install your new mirrors. Now for the reinstall, the mirror just fits right up in the factory position. Stick the bolt through, and you have your new hardware here that you can tighten everything down with, and just go ahead and tighten that down, and the mirror just bolts right up, and these things fit great. Now one thing I did notice, which is kind of cool, is they have the new clips here for securing down the wiring harness. They come with this kit, and they actually have this little loop that you can put a zip tie through, and you can secure the wiring harness that way, which I think is a lot better than the way the factory does it. So that's kind of a neat little feature here. And I'm simply just going to run my wires down through here, reconnect everything with the control module here, and I should have everything set up. We can put the door card back on and test everything out for our new tow mirror upgrade. So I got the mirrors all installed and I'm back here on the road and everything is working like it should. And man, do these things make a big difference. Check it out. The visibility has increased significantly. I mean, I can almost see the entire bed of the trailer between the two mirrors and there's nothing loaded on it, especially going around corners and everything. It's making a big difference. This is quite an upgrade and I'm super happy with the way that it has turned out. Man, what a difference these tow mirrors make. That was a big improvement on visibility and I'm really happy with the way these things fit. Everything went together really easy, just fine. It really was a very quick and easy plug and play installation. Everything is working correctly and functioning like it's supposed to. The blinkers work, the power mirrors work, and so I'm really happy with this final product. And not only that, they look really awesome as well. If you would like to get yourself a set of these mirrors, I will leave a link in the description below to the Yita Motorsports website where you can get these tow mirrors and lots of other truck and Jeep accessories. Also in the description below, there will be a code to get 10% off your purchase. So if you would like to pick you up a set of these tow mirrors, you can get 10% off as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, we will see you on the trail.